Hey there, it's Charles, and today I will be reflecting on the activities of January 19th, 2009. Now, uh, that day was probably the weirdest class ever because what happened was Ricky came in with his warm-up, and that pretty much dominated the whole class. The warm-up was basically a dance-off. With kind of a twist where you have to memorize what the other person's move was, which would be hard to bring back to theater, but I'll do the best I can. First of all, the activity brings out your character, and theater is all about stepping out of your comfort zone and being someone um, that maybe you're afraid to do, but then you're still putting the courage out there to do it. Secondly, the warm-up is a large part to the warm-up was the memorization, and not just memorization, but being quick about it and being able to pick up cues from the other people really quickly. And in theater, it's very important to have that kind of flexibility where you may have done all these rehearsals where they've all been the same, but then on that particular show night, something may go weird or wrong, and then you have to adapt immediately to it. And to do that, you have to be able to be observant and to be able to have others count on you to do it. And that brings us to our third point, which is teamwork. And you can see the teamwork in the activity where one person would dance, and if they forget, the other person can tap him out and then do the dance themselves and save them. Now, in theater, a very similar thing happens where maybe a person forgets his line and another person has to just carry on or say, do you mean blah blah blah, or just be on their feet and be very observant about what's going on, and when trouble comes, just jump on it. And my final point of how this relates to drama is that it's just a very fun activity, and it gets people moving and gets everybody very energized for the class. Now, this might not be a good warm-up for a show night, just because it plays with people's emotions too much, makes them a bit too happy maybe for their own good. But and because on show night, a lot of people wouldn't like that kind of thing because they like to get into character in a more subtle way, or maybe lock themselves in a room for 5-6 hours and just get into character. But then for a drama class, I think it's very appropriate. And also, theater is very physical, and by doing that kind of dancey thing, it kind of loosens your bones and stuff, I guess. And right now I have to bring back some of the format into the video, so I will answer the question, what did I feel about today's activities? And my answer is, I liked it. And finally, strengths and weaknesses. One weakness I have definitely is not being able to spot those cues that I mentioned earlier. Usually I just like to do what I do, and even though I am very observant of what happens on stage, but then I'm usually not the one that would take the initiative to, do something different than what's comfortable to me. I'm pretty good at running away though. I've done that a few times. So, yep, that's my video for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.